You're making problems, man. You're making problems. We must translate everything you say. Everything.
Okay.
Zdaj je rekel, okay.
Mi moramo vse prevesti, kar bomo povedali. Vse, kar bomo
prevesti. Še lahko še v italijančino dram. Ali pa v mariborčino. Lej, Jernej, daj mi ti povej, kaj pa ta Slovenija ima talent, zdaj ko je bilo ko so postale popularne te skupine, kaj so bile, no? Maestro, pa kaj še bil ta drugi, ko so bili tudi ful dobri, no? Dunking Devils, pa še ni ta tretji. A veš, kaj mislim?
Ja.
Joj, zdaj sem pa mislim, išli z glave.
Iz Kazine, fantje iz Kazine, iz plesne šole iz Kazine.
Ne, All Dead.
All Dead so bili, ja.
All Dead,
iz Kazine,
kaj pa recimo misliš to, so dobri ali mislim, imajo to, se ti zdi dober šov to?
Ja,
kot profi, no?
Se mi zdi za Slovenijo, pač te fantje so ipak, v bistvu so nova generacija, ampak so dobri. To so v bistvu, All Dead so vsi učenci Željka Božiča, pa veš, da so dobri, ne, to je stara generacija. Maestro so pa večinoma 50-70% učenci od Željka Božiča.
Spravo so Željko Božič se pobera, kaj?
Željko Božič je v bistvu v Kazini začel s tem in to so vsi njegovi učenci. Vsi izhajajo iz tam, vsi izhajajo iz Kazine.
Kaj pa s tvoje šole? So že kakšni taki uspehi, recimo, da se lahko že pohvališ?
Lahko se pohvalim. Imel sem 2 svetovna prvaka od hip-hop v parih, imel sem tudi že, ne vem, 3. na državnem, 1. na državnem. Imam plesalce, ki delajo vrhunske rezultate, lahko se pohvalim. Ja.
Kaj pa ti sam si kdaj plesal, bom rekel, prav profesionalno v kaki skupini tudi ali ne, si bi vedel samo učitelj?
Jaz sem plesal, v bistvu sem tekmoval, že letom sva začela skupaj v Kazini, jaz sem bila tudi hip-hop duo. Sva naredila rezultat svetovna prvaka, 2-kratna, evropska prvaka, 2-kratna, tudi solo sem bil državni prvak.
Da se boš malo hvalil.
Ja, se ne maram hvaliti.
Ne, fajn, je fajn.
Sam, če po pravici povem, imam raje v bistvu pohvalim mojo delo. Sem bolj ponosen na to, da lahko povem, da imam svetovne prvake v plesni šoli, kakor da povem pač, kaj sem jaz delal včasih, res. Ja, no, to je to, ne. Že letom sva par let, ne vem, 10 let. V bistvu se 6-7 let sva skupaj plesala, no. Veliko stvari.
Zdaj bom pa jaz Sharola vprašal, zdaj moram celo naprej povedati, kaj ga bom vprašal. Kakšna je razlika med koreografom pa profesionalnim plesalcem, oziroma če sploh je kakšna razlika? Sharol, now tell me something. What is the difference between choreographer and professional dancer who dances for others, for example? And just choreographer and teacher. What is the main difference? Is the same or no?
No, it's a difference. A dancer is just a dancer. A dancer is someone that just learns and knows how to perform and how to bring choreographies to life. You know what I mean? That's a dancer. And a choreographer is someone that can make
Tell in Cuban, no problem. No problem. No, okay.
But there's someone that can really can bring a song to life. You know what I mean? Because everybody can be a teacher, because you see there are a lot of teachers out there, but are they good choreographers? You know what I mean? Like you have to feel the music and know the artist to really translate what they're talking about and what the music gives you. That's what for me it works. For me it's always what the song gives me. If it's like a song that's really girly or something, then you make a girly choreography. You can have a song like Tick Tock from Kesha or whatever and make a ghetto choreography on it. That's kind of like...
But you have a girl's name. Sharol is a girl's name.
I get it. When I was younger, I was getting that a lot. You know what I mean? But a lot of people... No, it's okay. I'm a big boy. I can handle it. But you know what I mean? But I mean, like, it's a lot of people...
It's a real name. Sharol.
Yeah, it's my real name. Yeah,
Sharol Stone.
No.
No, Sharol. No.
Sharol Stone or Sharol Stone?
Sharol. He's Sharol Stone. She's Sharol Stone and he's Sharol Stone. Translate that.
Okay, you guys went too far. I can translate it. V bistvu, kaj hoče povedati, je, da razlika, ti si vprašal, razlika med plesalcem pa koreografom. Zdaj, plesalci je lahko vsak. Koreograf je pa tak, v bistvu glasbo naredi v bistvu živo s svojim telesom. To je to.
To je rekel, na kratko.
V bistvu, da plesalci lahko vsak. Ti pač sledi koreografiji, ne. V bistvu koreografija pa taka naredi iz glasbe v bistvu živo koreografijo, ne. ker čez svoje telo komat.
Pa rekel je tudi to, ne, da ne moreš ti, ne vem, na neko tako pesem, kot je TikTok, kot Keše, narediti eno gito koreografijo, da boš imel tudi v glavi to, rekel, da veš kam, kaj paše.
Vsaka pesem ima svoj vibe, vsaka pesem ima svoj feeling. Ne moreš v bistvu delati en Britney Spears gangsta koreografijo, ampak moraš pač prilagoditi vsaki pesmi posebej občutek, ki ti daje ta pesem.
Dajmo mi pogledati, koliko je ura, ker imamo mi še plesen nastop za narediti. Koliko še imamo vdaje, fantje? Daj pogledaš, kim reči. Koliko je dolgi ta nastop vaš plesni, ko ga bomo pol videli?
Samo 30 sekund. A toliko časa se moramo še pogovarjati.
30 sekund!
Meni je vroče, pulo tega. It's really hot in this studio.
Take your clothes off. It's getting hot in here.
Yeah,
It's really getting hot in here, man.
You know, I'm kind of take it off now. I'm not taking
Oh,
it off.
ladies love it. Ladies
Yeah,
love
I know
it.
that ladies
Yes,
will
yes,
love
yes,
it,
yes.
but you know, I'm not gonna go there today, man.
No,
no.
for me, even not for me. You're a choreographer.
Yeah, I am. But when I'm on stage,
Joaquin Cortez always dances without shirt.
yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
But that's on stage.
This is the stage. This is the stage.
Yeah, but this is like a different kind of stage.
This
You
is
know.
after stage.
Yeah. Nice.
Dobre. Sharol, so tell me, what is the difference in dancing here in Slovenia or and
Amsterdam?
in the world, for example? Are Slovenian dancers good, or they need some what's it called?
I know what you mean.
Some more practice, yes.
For what I've saw, there's some great dancers here, man. I'm not even. Wow, there's some great dancers here. I've seen a lot here. Like a lot of great dancers. Even at at Jake's dance studio, it's there are some great dancers and really nice people also. You know what I mean? And yeah, I get a lot of love here and a lot of positive vibes. And like I said, like you can always get better. You can always train harder and be as good as you can be. You know what I mean? But like, be proud of what you can do, man. And I see a lot of people work hard here and for me, it works that you learn every kind of dance style. You know what I mean? Like, you can be a hip-hop dancer, but if you want to get out there, you want to get to America or want to be like a big dancer, you got to learn different styles. You know what I mean? And like, you can do hip-hop, you can do pop, you can do ballet or contemporary or jazz. You have to have that background.
Mix it all together.
Yeah, you can mix it all together, but in some gigs, you have to be really versatile, and really stretched also to come there, because a lot of people think like if you're good at one style, you can go anywhere, but that's not true. If you, for example, if you wanted to be a dancer for, let's say Beyonce, like you said, you know what I mean, like. You have to take every style, man. You have to know how to turn pirouettes or stuff like that. You have to be that,
Ja, to preveriš.
Yeah.
Ja, prav, da...
Daš neki delo, ne boš sam sedel.
Ja, meni je produkcija.
Ja, kar boje.
V glavnem, prav, da za različne glasbenike, ki delaš, moraš pač več stilov plesnih obvladati.
Hočeš biti res dober, ne?
Ja, če hočeš biti res dober, moraš v bistvu biti univerzalni plesalec. To pomeni, da imaš podlago z baleta, z džeza, iz latina, iz hip-hopa, vse. Rečemo za Beyoncé, prav, da moraš obvladati razne piruete in take zadeve. Ni samo res hip-hop en stil.
Pa rekel je, da so slovenski plesalci tudi zelo dobri, da je presenečen.
Prav, da so, ja. Vse smo tu dobri.
To je res, ne?
Tovariši v Sloveniji.
Sharol, tell me something.
Yeah, man.
Can a white man, because white man can jump, but can white man dance as good as black man? Tell me that. No, ne?
Yes, they can.
Yes, they can.
Yes, they can.
Which white man is better dancer than the best black man? Justin Timberlake is better than Usher? No. It's good. It's okay, but it's not better. It's not better.
Let me. You can't compare them because they're totally different. They're totally different artists, so you can't compare them. But from my point of view, I think. Okay, I like Usher more, but I think that Justin Timberlake is a better dancer.
He's a better dancer.
Yeah, I think
Natural
so.
dancer.
Natural dancer. Yeah. Usher is good. Don't get me wrong. He's good.
I know.
But he is more of someone that picks it up. That's the choreographer says him to do that. Or but Justin Timberlake also, but it's more him. You know what I mean? It's more natural. And that's an example. Like Justin Timberlake is better dancer than Usher.
But now he's getting old.
Oh, Justin.
Yes.
Well, Usher is
younger.
older.
He acted in movies. He's getting lazy.
Usher is
Yes.
Justin is 30 or something, right?
No,
Yes.
Justin's 27, I think.
Oh,
I don't know.
But
Yeah.
you know, Usher is in his 30s and still doing his thing. You know what I mean? Like Michael Jackson, he was 50
Yes,
when he died,
yes,
right?
yes.
So he couldn't do the stuff that he did 20 years ago or something,
But he
but
was good.
he was still good. You know,
Best, yes,
true.
yes.
Yeah.
Dajmo zdaj, da ne bomo zamudili poklicati vse te punce tvoje, mislim tvoje, niso tvoje punce to privat, ampak punce tvoje plesalke,
Moje
ne
učenke,
bojo
ja.
narobe razumeti tvoje učenke. Dajmo jih poklicati vse skupaj not zdaj, ne? Da ne bomo pol zašuštra s časom. Dajmo jih poklicati not, ne? Če slišijo mogoče, ne?
Pridite not!
Ja. Now you're gonna see his choreography.
Okay.
For the first time in your
Nice.
life. Ja.
Okay, nice.
Kaj pete notre punce, ne? Kaj se mi se bomo, kje boste plesali? Tule mi se bomo malo maknili nazaj, veš?
Ja, se to, kar bo zdaj zaplesale,
Ja, to bo 30 sekund, si rekel.
je najno delo. Je od
Oboje, aha,
ja, to on,
dobre.
on je delal.
Kaj vi znate angliško govoriti sploh? Aha. Dobre. Dej ti
just
muziko,
explain
imaš
them
preštimano
that
tam
it's
od njih? Ne še. Zdaj se obrnite proti kameri, ne mene gledati, ne, da vas bojo ljudje videli. Ti pa povej, Jernej, kaj bo one zdaj odplesale to?
One bo odplesale v bistvu mečken del, točke, ki so jo Sharolom delala za talent show.
Aha, talent show.
2011.
Aha,
Tako da to boš čez par mesecev videl na televiziji. Ne?
Smo te zdaj, vrhunska premiera je to zdaj, ne?
Ja, ampak samo mečken.
Zato sem 30 sekund.
Ja,
Teaser,
ja.
teaser trailer je to zdaj,
This
ne?
is a teaser, not even
Teaser,
a
yes,
trailer.
yes.
It's a
It's
teaser,
a teaser, yeah, true.
So Sharol, tell me, in what age is good to become a dancer? And when it's too late to become a really, really good dancer?
It's never too late. No?
It's never too late.
So I could become a really good dancer, I could become a dancer.
Yeah, you can become everything that you want, man.
I can become the world champion on 100
Yeah,
meters.
you only have to put your mind to it. Yeah, man. You only have to put your mind to it.
You
You know
gotta
what I
check
mean?
yourself
Like,
before you wreck yourself.
Yeah.
Yes.
yeah, true.
Who was that? You want to check yourself before
Ice
the
Cube.
record? Ice
You
Cube.
wanna check it? Yeah, true. Yeah.
Yes. Just ask me. I know
nice,
everything. Yeah, okay.
nice, yeah.
So now we're gonna see a special preview of choreography by you two.
Yeah.
Okay. Smo preštimani?
I light up like a genie and I blow up on this song. Rubber dubba dub dub, rubber dubba dubba dub. Aladdin, look at him, boy, I need a rub. Rubber dubba dub dub, rubber dubba dubba dub. Me and my speakers speaking sub sub sub, subba 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 sub, subba 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 sub. You know who I am, I run this club. Dubba 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 dub, clubba clubba lubba love.